Hello everyone, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to send TikTok video in WhatsApp without link. Now before moving on, if you're new to our channel, subscribe and turn on the notification in order to not miss any videos from our channel. Now let's move on to the video. Firstly, open up the TikTok app and then choose a video you want to send. Now once you choose a video, tap on share button and then from the menu tap on save video option. Once your video gets saved, pop-up menu will appear on the screen. Now from the pop-up menu tap on WhatsApp and then pick the person from your WhatsApp contact and then tap on arrow on the bottom, and there you can edit the video before sending. Now if you're done, you can tap on send button at the bottom right of your screen, and there you can see you have sent TikTok video to a specific person without link. If this video helped you out, don't forget to give this video a like and subscribe to our channel. I will be back with more informative videos like this. Keep watching.